If you want to power some circuits, then a AC to DC adapter or a bench power supply does this job perfectly. But if you want to power some circuit in outdoor, then you should go for batteries. Hey, hello guys, this is Shubhabroto and welcome back to my channel Circuitician. Today I will show you how I made my own PPS or portable power supply and show its features to you. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started. First, I list out the features which my portable power supply or PPS should have. The power supply should be capable of giving at least 12 volt output. The output should be short circuit protected, a 5 volt output for powering up the microcontrollers, and a battery level indicator. Along with this, I decided to add a flashlight with it. I chose lithium-ion batteries for making the portable power supply because it is light in weight considered to lead-acid batteries. The nominal voltage of a lithium-ion battery is 3.7 volt and fully charged voltage is 4.2 volt. So I have two series 3 cell together to get 12 volt output. But charging the lithium batteries needs special attention like no overcharge, no over discharge, and in case of series cell, balance charging is also important. We can get ready-made BMS board from the market for charging the lithium-ion battery in the same manner mentioned earlier. So I bought a 3S BMS board that would charge the 3 batteries evenly and prevent overcharging and over-discharging, and also protect the battery from short circuit. This BMS board consists some resistor, capacitors, 4 MOSFET, and for controlling the MOSFET, a IC is used. Part number of that IC is S8254A. If we look into the datasheet, we will notice that this IC is used for 3S or 4S battery protection circuit. It features high accuracy voltage detection for each cell, 3-level overcurrent protection, power down function, wide voltage range that is 2 volt to 24 volt, and many more. If you want to know more about this IC, you can check the datasheet. Now I will solder wire to the series point of the batteries from this holder. For charging the battery, I attached a DC socket in the box. Along with this, I placed a 3mm LED for charging indication. For flashlight, I have used a 10mm white LED. For 5 volt output, I attached a USB socket, and I will use a 7805 for providing 5 volt to the USB socket. For battery level indicator, I used LM3915 IC. To make this circuit, you will need some resistors and a 10 kilo ohm preset for setting the maximum level of the battery. I used 4 flat LED for level indication: red, blue, yellow, and green, where green indicates the full battery and the red is for low battery. You will get all the circuit diagram in the description below. After that, I made all the connection with the battery like this, and my portable power supply is ready to use. So this is the PPS. You can see here is the power button, this is the slide switch, and this is the level of the battery. So it is charging now, so it is showing only the red, blue and the yellow level. Green is for full indication. This is the USB socket from where we can get the 5 volt output for microcontrollers. And here is the push switch for the flashlight. This is the flashlight, and currently I am monitoring the level using this series cell checker, battery checker. You can see the every battery voltage. Actually, you can monitor every battery voltage using this. 11.6 is total voltage. The first cell voltage is 3.71, second is 3.77, and the third is 4.21. And from this DC socket I am charging, and this is the 12 volt output port. Now I will measure this using my multimeter. Okay, the switch is turned on. You can see the battery voltage is now 11.5 here. If you love this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to make PPS like me, so make the PPS and tag me in the social media. My social media handles are given in the description. You can follow me over there. And if you are watching me for the first time or new to this channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more notifications. And the most important thing, be creative.